It is my second to last day of class ever, and I'm about to do something I wanted to do since the start. Bake cookies in my car, if that's possible. So the plan is just put these on this tray, put them on the dash, and wait. I have about 4-ish hours of class today, and if it needs more time, let it cook at home. Oh, and it's meant to be about 110 degrees Fahrenheit today. And now we wait. It's been about 3 hours. Here's what we're looking like. All right, it's now been 4.5 hours. It smells amazing in here, but this needs more time. It's looking a little crispy, but probably another hour or two. Actually, it might be ready. Wow. Oh, yes. Okay, I'm gonna try one. Oh. Okay, a little more time. Time to transport the cookies. Gotta go home now. The cookies are back up in their spot. I'm gonna give them maybe another hour, and then I think we're good. Ooh. I don't know, I think that's ready. Let's try this one. Tastes like a cookie. Pretty good.